Hello, this is your channel Sosa NASA 1 in English. I am the electromechanic engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to test this capacitor. In this case, we are going to test this capacitor using a digital multimeter like this. This is a basic digital multimeter, and in this case, I'm going to show you how to use this to test this. The first step is discharge the capacitor. For do this is very easy. Take the capacitor and use this test probe in this way and touch these 2 points. This is for discharge the capacitor in this way. Now is safe touch with my finger. Now is safe the capacitor. The next step is turn on the digital multimeter here, and in this case we are going to choose this mode using this selector. With my hand, move the selector and choose this mode. In this case, we are going to use this mode like continuity mode for know if we have continuity or not from this capacitor. For example, we are going to use only the digital multimeter in this case for know how to use this mode. If this line and this line touch in this way, we have continuity. And we watch these numbers on this position on the digital multimeter screen. This means we have continuity, we have energy moving from this point to this point. If this line and this line don't touch between them, in this case, we don't have continuity, and we watch this number 1 in this position on the digital multimeter screen. In this case, we don't have energy moving from this point to this point. In this case, for know if this capacitor is good or not, it's very important that when I connect this digital multimeter to this capacitor, the digital multimeter continue in this state. I mean with this number 1 on this position on the digital multimeter screen. This means we don't have continuity. And if I connect this digital multimeter to this capacitor and we don't have continuity, this means this capacitor is good. If we detect continuity inside this capacitor, the capacitor is damaged. Let's do the test. This is very easy. Now, I'm going to touch this point with this point in this way and watch the digital multimeter screen. Now, in this case, we are watching the digital multimeter screen, this number 1 in this position. This means we don't have continuity in this case. And the capacitor has no continuity. This means the capacitor is good in this case. It's working correctly. But if you do this and you watch this digital multimeter do this, for example, in that case, the capacitor is damaged. But now, when I connect the digital multimeter to this capacitor, we watch the digital multimeter screen this number 1 in this position. This means the capacitor has no continuity. This means it is good in this case. And doing this, you can know if this capacitor is good or not using a digital multimeter like this. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in our channel Sosanasa 1 in English. Share this video. Give me a like if you like this kind of content for create more content for you. And thank you for watching. Now I have very important message for you. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosanasa 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.